The two best players in the world right now are number 9.
I also said if Man City don't win, Real Madrid are going to win. A champion! Run it! Ready.
Welcome sports fans, welcome back to another episode. I'm your host Joe Man.
I'm Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions and debates on the internet.
Yes, people. I know it's international football time and we've been talking about the reggae boys and girls.
Yeah.
But bro, we can't ignore what's going on in
Over the last
world
2
football
weeks.
right now. We tried our best to stay on the reggae boys topic and reggae girls topic. But we have to talk about the Champions League.
We have to talk
What is going on in the Champions League right now, bro?
Yo, man, the Atletico Man City game, bro.
First about the Chelsea Real Madrid? Which one is a better game? Because that last game was crazy.
Well, goals.
Yeah.
Goals.
Yeah.
And once there are goals,
Yeah.
then that's going to always be the better game. Yeah, we got a lot of goals in the Chelsea game. And as I said, Bayern Villarreal, what an upset. You get me, I say, bro? And even the Liverpool and Benfica game, that had many goals in it today.
Yeah.
So, without further ado, let's get into it. How are we going to structure this video?
Alright, so let's talk about the quarterfinals. Let's go through some of the results and what we feel about it. And let's go to the semi-final and make predictions for the final.
Alright, the first game, Bayern Villarreal.
Yeah.
So, Bayern traveled to Villarreal and upset win for Villarreal. And Villarreal did Villarreal did play in Villarreal and they played very well. They played very disciplined. Oh my God, if the coach of Villarreal had coached his previous team the way he's coaching Villarreal right now.
Unai Emery boy, because you knocked Arsenal out of the Europa League last year or year before last. You win the Europa League in that year.
Yeah.
Then you come here now and go Champions League semi-final, bro.
And he has the team playing very well for him. Players like Moreno, Coquelin, they're doing exactly what he wants them to do. In Allianz though, they were a bit lucky, bro.
Yeah.
Bayern Munich really applied the pressure. And when you saw Lewandowski get the goal, you were like, okay, this is what I expected. But last minute goal, bro.
Yeah.
They got lucky and held their discipline. They came out on top.
I'm happy for Villarreal though. Everybody loves that underdog story. So I think this is where it ends for them. But we'll talk about the semi-final a little bit later.
And then Benfica and Liverpool.
I would have predicted Liverpool to beat Benfica. I think Benfica, the Benfica fans knew that they were the underdogs in this game.
The second game, however, that was shocking, bro.
Yeah, the second game was a 3-3.
That was the one game that I didn't watch.
Yeah, I couldn't get to watch that game.
Yeah, that was one game that I didn't watch. But it must have been an exciting game, hella goals and stuff like that.
Ultimately, Liverpool won the game 6-4. So they progressed. And not much to talk about this result. Liverpool would have beaten Benfica on any day. But let's get to the other side of the bracket, though, the exciting side of the bracket. Let's talk about the Man City Atletico game first.
All right. The first game, bro.
Yeah.
Atletico Madrid did not try to play any football.
Yeah.
At Etihad. They never wanted to play no football. They were playing 5-5. That was it. And sometimes 10.
Yeah.
They did not go to play any football at all, and they really did frustrate Manchester City. And we saw where Pep brought on Phil Foden, and Phil Foden came on and made an immediate impact.
Yeah.
Got the through pass to KDB, and he finishes it as KDB does. Man City managing to get a point from sorry people, I'm so excited. I can't even put words together. Man City managing to get a win from that game, even though they were very frustrated. Came back to the Wanda Metropolitano, if I'm saying it correctly.
Close enough.
And Atletico Madrid really did attempt to bring the game to City. Yes, they were still playing discipline. Yes, they had many players behind the ball.
And they went 10 goals down and still had the opportunity to win the game.
They're playing against Manchester City. So of course they'll be playing discipline. Diego Simeone is going to do as Diego Simeone does. However, this time they were more expressive, this time they were pressing more, this time they were moving the ball better. And I kid you not, they did get numerous chances to sink Manchester City.
They could have won the game, bro. Even in the dying moments of the game. At the time, they had a chance.
Yeah.
Luis Suarez tried to flick it on. Ake did well. But then
Korea, how do you miss that?
Korea, bro, you have to kick the ball in the goal, dude.
Well,
Think he rushed it. But the biggest game of the quarter-final stages of the Champions League, Real Madrid versus Chelsea.
Well,
and that first leg, man.
Yeah, Shaka by who, in my opinion, is the best player in world football
right now.
Yeah, he, got Benzema does what Benzema do, bro.
Yeah.
And he did it again. And Kai Havertz scoring an all-important goal for Chelsea in that game. Trust me, that goal meant a lot. That goal would have meant so much more, though, if this game had turned out how it very nearly turned out.
It almost went there. The first leg, though, let's talk about the first leg a little bit more. I don't know what happened to Chelsea. I don't know why they came out so slow. Real Madrid shocked them. And Benzema, bro. Benzema is just, right now, maybe leading the argument for Ballon d'Or. I don't know. Leading the La Liga and performing like this in the Champions League.
Yeah.
Best number 9 in the world, undoubtedly. But yeah, let's talk about the second leg. Chelsea came out.
Is it undoubtedly, though? The two best players in the world right now are number 9.
Yeah, you cannot sell that to the best player in the world, too, but I feel like right now it has to be Karim Benzema, bro.
Between Lewandowski and Benzema?
Yeah.
In my opinion.
I think Benzema is the best striker in the world right now.
The best number 9 undoubtedly.
Right now, bro, Benzema, I don't think the argument is there right now. And form right now.
Goals.
If you talk about goals, you have to talk about difficulty in the league. I'm not trying to go down that road.
Champions League goals. Lewandowski have more.
True, but pressure moments, I feel like
I believe I just don't think it's undoubtedly.
On form right now, it has to be Benzema.
I don't think it's undoubtedly.
Undoubtedly or not, Benzema the man right now. Second leg, bro. Chelsea come out and stun Real Madrid. Because I thought it was over. Everybody thought it was over.
Real Madrid scored first, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah,
and then Rodrigo scored first.
And then Chelsea came and scored 3
goals.
goals.
Bang, 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 bang.
Got that goal that was a goal, went to VAR, and Alonso handled the ball. I didn't even see that handball. Thought Chelsea had it in the bag, but they couldn't pull it across the line, man. And guess who saved the day? Best number 9 in the world.
Karim
Benzema.
Benzema.
Yeah. Let's talk about the semi-final real quick before we go. So it's what? Man City versus Real Madrid, Liverpool versus Villarreal. Let's talk about the Liverpool versus Villarreal first.
My predictions to win the Champions League. Guys, go and check out the Champions League video. Just click it. You get me, I said? Where I predicted Liverpool to win the Champions League. And it looks a bit more sure now.
Yeah.
Do you think Unai Emery will manage to pull one more out the hat?
It's going to be hard.
It's going to be hard for him.
I think this is where it ends for Villarreal.
The Bayern Munich team is very good, bro.
Yeah.
The Bayern Munich team is a very good team, very well coached. A lot of quality.
One thing I must say, I got Unai Emery wrong, bro. Unai Emery is a very good coach. A really, really good coach. I guess Arsenal didn't give him enough time, but I think Liverpool will be just too much for Villarreal. And the other side of the bracket now, the two teams, you predicted Liverpool, I predicted Man City.
Yeah.
The two teams running for the Premier League could also be the two teams in the Champions League final, and I'm going to predict Man City to go to the final with Liverpool.
You have a choice, you have to back your
I have to predict. And
in that bracket, I do believe Ancelotti's men and the big baller Karim Benzema will defeat Manchester City.
I'd love that because Real Madrid is like my second team, so I really, really like Real Madrid and I want them to win. And I also said if Man City don't win, Real Madrid are going to win. So I'm a backup pick, bro.
So as I said, guys, Real Madrid will bust Rush's bracket and him, with him weak backup pick situation. Oh, my backup pick was Bayern, wasn't it?
Okay. Okay, so you're going.
Rush with him weak backup pick situation, So I think Real Madrid will bust his bracket, beat Manchester City, and then Liverpool will take Real Madrid in the finals. I'm still upholding that Liverpool will win the Champions League.
Alright, and I think Man City will just do it this year. That's just how I feel, man.
Go.
And this game was big for Man City. They showed fight. And they showed that they could pull it out. I saw some, I can't say the word on YouTube, but what's that word I'm looking for? Where there was just a lot of gamesmanship. Let's say gamesmanship from Man City in a negative way. So I saw Phil Foden.
You can't say it.
No, we can't say more. I say. But yeah, I saw a different side of Man City, and I feel like that will help them to pull the Champions League out of the bag.
Yeah, you know,
I didn't know Man City had that in them.
man's like Phil Foden, that's a dog. I rate it.
Yeah.
I rate it, bro.
But people,
Yeah.
we couldn't avoid the Champions League conversation. Let us know your opinion in the comment section. And if you're not already subscribed to our channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment, like the video, and
Share the video to at least 5 people. Better yet, share it to 10 people, but ensure that at least 5 people subscribe. Because if we can get, better yet, if you can get 5 subscribers, if each one of you guys can get 5 subscribers, are you hearing what I'm saying? Do you know how many subscribers that will get us by the end of the day? But anyways, with that being said, this was This or That Sports TV.
we're out.